Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome here if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be planning in my Health and Wellness Classic Happy Planner for the month of December. I cannot believe it's already December, you guys. I am so excited to start a new year, start a new set of planners, start a new season in my life. I am very, very pumped for my 2026 planner for my health and wellness. It's going to be very different than my normal planners, and I cannot wait to share with you guys what I'm going to be doing in that planner. So this is my planner that I'm using up until the end of the year. This is my Health and Wellness Classic Happy Planner. I have been using this since the beginning of the year, and I love it, but I am ready for a new one. This is the kit I'm going to be using for my calendar portion in my planner. This is actually a weekly mini kit from ShineStickerStudio. It is the foiled one. It's a Merry Christmas collection. I've had this in my spreads or in my stash for a very long time, and I've just needed to be using it. So this is what we have. I'm going to be using it in my calendar, and then for the dashboard, we're going to be using my SerilynArt dashboard. I love this one. This is probably one of my favorite dashboards of the winter season that she has. There's too many to count, but I love this one specifically. So I thought it would go really nice with the blues in this kit. All right, let's go ahead and get started with the month. So this is what the tab looks like. I hate the tabs in these planners with Happy Planner, so I always cover them up, and I'm actually going to be just covering it directly onto this dashboard tab. That way I can use the tabs again in future videos. I'm not going to be having a Happy Planner that is a classic size for this year, but I can reuse these dashboards, or these tabs at least, for a future, you know, Happy Planner if I decide to use it, or just a future planner spread in general, because the beauty of these tabs is they can be covered up. You can cover them up and make them your own. So that is what I'm going to be doing eventually. I don't know when I'm going to be using it, because like I said, I'm not using a classic Happy Planner for my 2026 lineup, but I do not like to waste my beautiful SerilynArt stickers, and these just make me a little bit happier every time I open up my planner. So this is what it looks like. It is beautiful. It was that easy, just taking off the sticker and putting it on. Alright, let's move into the calendar. Now this planner does have, or this kit does have, some Christmas light themes in the spread, and so I'm going to be using some ShineStickerStudio Christmas light washi as well to amplify the gorgeousness of the kit. But what I'm going to do here is we're just going to take this and line the spine. That's it. That's all we're going to do here. Just line the spine with this washi, because it's beautiful and I love it and it's perfect and it's just gorgeous. Can I talk more about this washi? Probably. Will I? Absolutely. Most likely. Alrighty, let's take, you know what? No, I was going to say let's not use these, but we're still going to. I am just going to cut the dates, like the little squares off of here, so that it'll make it easier for me to use these stickers. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this washi here and I'm going to line it. I can't find my scissors. I'm sure you guys are screaming. Their blue ones are sitting right next to you. I'm talking about my baby ones, my tiny baby scissors. Those are the scissors I was looking for. Anyway, I'm going to take this and put it along the edge here. Oh no! There's not enough! Oh no! It's fine. I'll figure something out. I'm not really worried. Oh wait, here. I can just use this. I'm not going to use this for this spread anyway. There we go. It's a little noticeable, but not too much. It'll be fine. It'll be okay. We'll survive. So anyway, the reason why I'm doing that is because I can put these right here and make it cuter. I'm actually going to put it underneath because I want it there instead. Perfect. And then we're going to take this weekend banner and use it because it's cute. I'm going to put it up here. Look at how cute that is. It's adorable. That's the answer. It's super adorable. Alright, I'm going to add the dates down, but I think I'm going to use these to decorate the sidebar first, and then decorate the rest. Just because that's what I want to do, and so that's what we're going to do. And then I'm going to take these boxes here to use for, you know, any important things that I need to write down as far as health stuff goes. I'll leave a little bit of space in between so I can write a title. You know what? I think I'm going to use this as our title because it's cute washi and I don't want to waste it. There we go. Alright, now I probably should put the dates down so that I can know, you know, what's happening. And just like that, we have the dates down. So now let's add the rest of these deco boxes. I am going to put the green one here. And actually, blue here, green here, and the pink one here. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Okay, the last thing in this spread that we are going to do is the currently. Now, normally my currently I use for my health goals for December. However, I don't have any December health goals because it's Christmas season and I don't care. So I mean, hey, you gotta be honest with yourself. So for this currently, I'm actually going to be using it to write down my goals for 2026 for health, to prep for my 2026 planner. I was looking for my whiteout and I just found it, so that's nice. I lose it literally every single time. So that is what I'm planning on using this for. I'm going to just write down what I want to have accomplished for 2026 as far as health goes. And I'm not going to do that with you guys, but this is just going to be kind of like a personal page, but I am going to decorate it because that's, you know, you got to decorate your spreads to make it cutesy and stuff, right? So that is my plan. So what we're going to do is to incorporate the rest of the, you know, sparkly silver situation that we've got going on the calendar. We're going to incorporate that here as well with the washi. Boop. I don't know if I'm going to add more, but I am going to grab the rest of these boxes that we have here and use those for my goals. So I think I'm trying to figure out how I want to do this. I think I'm going to use this as a title and have it say 2026 goals, okay? And then maybe let's use the bullets to just write generic ones. And then I think, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seems like a reasonable goal for my 2026 goals. And there are about 5 boxes per. So I think this is going to be a good idea to kind of break things down in attainable steps. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do, each goal is going to have a section. So this will be section 1. This will be section 2. I'll just put it all the way to the edge. I'm going to have this one be section 3. And then we'll split this one up into 2. there. In here. Yeah. So let's do a title for each section. So this will be title for one section, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Perfect. All right, and then I think I'm just going to take these boxes and just add them in here for my, you know, groupage situation. Okay, I found some sticker quotes from this Teresa Collins Create a Beautiful Life Happy Planner Quotes sticker book. A lot of these are in gold, but I didn't want to use gold. I wanted to use silver, so I have these. This one says, "She designed a life she loved," and I thought that was absolutely perfect for the setup that I have going here, so I'm going to use that. I just have to, get another, there we go, that'll work. This is just from a, an old piece of sticker paper. I like this one that says "Get Busy Girl" because I think that's cute. So I'm going to put this one down here at the bottom. But this one I'm going to cut out real quick and use for this section here. But I'm going to cut it a little bit shorter than the actual sticker has to make sure that the colors transfer through on that paper. Because this is, like I said, this is for my 2026 goals. So I don't really care if the colors don't go well. Because again, this is going to be just for me. But I want it to be cute too. Perfect. Okay, so then I'm gonna take this and put it right there. I know it's, again, I realize that I did it in the background specifically for that, but I wanted to be able to have a little quote there for myself so that I can see that and be like, oh yes, okay, great. You know, all for me. Then the other thing that I have, and I'm sure you guys may have seen it down here in the bottom, it's the sticker that I got from just a Happy Planner sticker book. It says it's the most wonderful time of the year, and I thought that was cute, so I'm going to put this on my Christmas section here. I'm just going to scooch this guy over. There we go. Perfect. All right, so now we have our spreads for the month, and everything is all set. Alright everyone, that is it for this month in my Health and Wellness Planner using the ShineStickerStudio Merry Christmas Foiled Kit. I absolutely love this. I think it looks really awesome. I think that the foil makes it really cute, and this is going to be perfect for me to plan in for the month. If you guys like this video and you want to see more of my content, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you are interested in seeing what my 2026 planner is going to be, what I'm going to be using it for, you can check out that video when it comes out, so don't forget to hit that notification bell so you are notified when I post that video. It will be posted very, very soon. I cannot wait for the next year. I cannot wait to get started with my 2026 goals, my 2026 health goals, and I'm just really excited for 2026 in general. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you have a wonderful December and a wonderful holiday season, and until next time, craft on. Bye, guys.